Welcome to the Sage Doctor video about recalculating prices in Sage 50 accounting. To start with, log into the Sage 50 Cloud. Click the VAT Returns from the drop-down next to Reporting tab at the top. Click the Create VAT Return button to open a new window. The VAT Return window appears. Here you can search VAT Return Frequency, check the period for which it is sought. Click the Calculate button. All the details shall appear in this screen. You can adjust the values as per your preference by clicking the Adjust button. Then, you can submit it online or save it now and submit later. The VAT return list will appear again. This time, it has a return number and item in the list. This is how you recalculate and submit your MTD VAT return in Sage 50 Cloud. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.